Okay, so where are we today? We're in Wales, in Anglesey. We're just outside a place called Aberffraw, and we're by St Cwyfan Church. It's a tiny little church on a tiny little island. It's got a causeway that goes out to it because it floods all around it, and it's really pretty. There's a lot of noise here at the moment actually because there's a big racetrack up the top of there, Anglesey racetrack. But actually what we're going to do, we're going to go out of here and we're going to go that way, so we're going to be going away from that, so hopefully it won't be quite so noisy. Then we're going to find somewhere for a picnic like we usually do, and then we're going to come back again, and there'll probably be a little bit more sea here when we come back because at the moment the tide's right out. That's what we try to do, go out when the tide's right out at slack water. Anyway, speak to you in a bit. We're all pumped up, let's go. Go on. Lovely, right, in you get then. You'll be fine. We're in. Lovely! Hang on, wait for me. Oh god, I just stood down a hole. Oh. Right. That way. Once you get a little bit of sea underneath my paddle blades. Yeah, I love that. That's a lovely little church, isn't it? Okay. So in about 17 something, there was some problems with that church with a vicar apparently who couldn't speak Welsh. They ended up passing all sorts of laws to say that all vicars in Wales had to be able to speak Welsh at the time. And then I think it went into disrepair and it was put back together again, and they built the seawall around it because all the graves around it were falling into the sea. And they opened it up again, and apparently it's very popular with weddings now. Yeah, it won't be once we get there. When we stop. It's only because you're not used to it. We're going to go to the inside of that island in front of us. I did have a look on, looking on the map and looking on Google Earth, it seemed that there's quite a bit of clear water between the island and the rocks. I suppose it was pretty blowy yesterday, weren't it? So you're going to get a lot of waves today. Yeah, well that was definitely dolphins when we left though, because I saw one jump out and sort of do his rolly classic dolphin-y thing where they sort of go like that. I definitely saw that. Yeah. Oh absolutely, yeah, we're not going right out there. No, we hug the coast, we do. But the interesting stuff is they're lovely though, the way they all just stand there, don't they? Don't do a lot, do they? Apart from catch fish and poo a bit and mate. Right. Yeah, that way. Down this gap. That's it. We'll wash straight in. Perfect. Oh, how about that? That was like we were professional. Oh, we're in. Right, let's break the coffee out. Oh, that was lovely. I enjoyed that first bit. Oh, brilliant. We've got our own little bay. Marvellous. Would you like me to help you out, my dear? This is what we like to do. We like to find a little cove that you can't get to any other way apart from the sea. So here we are. Oh, I love this. This is so much fun. I bet it's got smugglers here. But it's been smugglers. You're in.
Vaguely.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Like a proper professional.
What, hippo?
Yeah, just not a professional kayaker. Oh,
Get the kayaker.
oh my good God. I'm soaking.
Get the kayaker.
Yeah, I know. Oh, it's all gone down me bits. Right, we're out. Right, I was looking down this bit down the side here.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at it quick before the surf comes along. See what's down there. Might be interesting. I don't want to have to. Oh no, that looks good, doesn't it? That looks promising. Yeah. Oh yeah, I love this. Around the back of rocks, I love it. Yeah, that's really groovy. Oh, that's a bit scary, that bit coming towards us. Yeah, love that. What we got that? What's that one over there, right in front of us? Can we get through there?
Oh.
Give it a go. Look, there's a man up there with a walking stick. Say hello, wave to him. Oh no, he might think we're in trouble. No? Is there? Let's have a little motor along to it. We can always quickly decide not to, if we have to. Oh nah. Nah, you be lucky. Right, back out of here again then and turn left. Straight out through the surf. This might be a bit tricky. Right, we're going to just go straight for a minute because there's rocks. Keep going, keep going. Right, and to the left. Right. That's good. We're good. No, we're good. Right. Lovely, we made it. What's that covey bit there? Yeah, I want that covey bit there. Definitely. I think we can ride some waves in to this bit. Yeah, it would, wouldn't it? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, a bit sharp. Speaking of which, can we get round that side, that bit? This bit here. You reckon? Might be, if we time it right, we'll be laughing. If we time it wrong, we're really in trouble. Alright, like now. Go on. Lovely. Well done. How cool was that? That was really cool. This is pretty jaggedy stuff, isn't it? You wouldn't want to be around here on a drop stitch one. There'd be lots of banging going on. Bang hiss, bang hiss. Yeah. Don't we can't get through there, can we? Or can we? Can we? Don't think we can get round there. Huh? Do you think? It seems quite adventurous. I mean, I'm happy to give it a go. We'll wait till some water comes in. Hang on, too late. Oh, God! Didn't really want to do that, did we? Hang on, I think we'll have to wait till something comes in and washes us off now. Or I might have to get out. I think we're in a bit of bother. Wait up. Hang on, because it might lift us, and if it does, we can paddle like crazy. No. Yep. Just enough. No. A little bit more. I think I'm going to have to get out and push start us, and wait a minute. This will be enough.
Big wave coming now.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, that's better.
Oh, yeah, charming. Calling me fat. She's calling me fat. Right. Hang on. Are you through? I think you are. Don't go without me. Wait a minute. Right, we're in the lagoon. Oh, go. Oh, lovely. Oh, paddles upside down. It's not a good start. Oh, God. We're off. Lovely. That worked. To the left. To the left. Oh, over there. I'm not sure about your lefts and your rights, to be honest.
Well, left, they can paddle on the left. Not
Oh, I see. Well, no. Can we just do which direction the craft needs to go, rather than which hand I'm going to use? Because sometimes I'm using both.
where's that going?
Oh, I don't know. Nah, too narrow. Oh, hello. Hang on. Let's just go by it a bit first. Lovely, we're good. Oh, it's quite deep here, actually. I don't really want to be push starting it here. Well, it's done very well so far. No, not yet. What have we got in the way of sharp stuff? We're good. It's a bit where the bottom comes rips out of the boat. And we're floundering. No, oh God, that's pretty surfy, that bit. Yeah, it is. I like a curlew. They've got a big old nose on them, haven't they? Yeah, that's what I meant. Who are you calling big nose? Right. To the right a bit. And then to the end of the seaweed on the left. And then turn a quick, do a bit of a U-E. Oh. To the right. No, actually, all the way in there, and then we'll come out the other side of it. Around here. Yeah. Yeah. Afraid not. Right, down here. Hopefully, this bit. Oh, that sounded not good, did it? I think I've got a peaky bit right underneath me. I just felt it go up. Oh God. We're going all the way left actually, and out that one. Whoa, what's that supposed to mean? I didn't realise that was in the seaman's sort of instructions. No, I was going straight out. Oh, we're up, we're down. Right. Lovely, we're good. Pull together. Lovely. And left. Port to port. He'll be phoning the Coast Guard in a minute, waving back at us. He's thinking, do you think they're all right, Mavis? Do you think they're all right? Shall we call someone? I think we should turn now. And we're over it. We're good. Full speed ahead. Give it everything you've got, Scotty. Yeah. That must be weird actually if you're looking at somebody with binoculars and they wave back, don't you think? Like, oh no, I've been caught. There's a cormorant over there. Yeah. It turns out he was looking down the wrong end. Yeah. Whew. What do you think? Straight into the beach now? I reckon, if we put our backs into it and we can surf that last bit. Look, looks like fun.
Oh yeah. Bit, you know.
Yeah.
Why do they don't look long?
No, they do look like DeVito, you're right. Yeah. Yeah, I reckon they're doing their Duke of Edinburgh's I Don't Want to Be Here award. Yes, it is. That was a turn. Yeah, they're both turns, aren't they? Now, what sort of turns are they? Are they common turns?
I think they could be.
Common turn. What you got? Common turns, Arctic turns, funny turns. What else is there? Yeah, they're definitely.
Oh, they're videoing her.
They've all got rucksacks, don't they? They all look a bit old for DeVito. I reckon they're ramblers.
Yeah.
That's the Ramblers Association, so they do want to be there. They've actually, done it. No, I want to go to the big one over there with the sand on it, because that's where the surf's going and that's where the fun is. That's what I want. There's somebody out, look, with a board, which I think they are. Might be his wooden leg. Right. If you put your back into it, we'll be there in 5 minutes.
Like James Bond.
Is it?
Like the lotus coming out of the water.
Oh, I thought you meant me walking out the water in my pants.
Oh, you step one?
Yeah, in my best step one pants.
Really?
I could be coming out the water like Jim Bond, Brooke Bond. Licensed to make a cup of tea.
Yeah, that's right.
Whoa, I like that. That was fun. Yeah, that's alright, we'll get there. Oh God, it's going to break behind us. Oh, hey, hello. Where did that one come from? That was a bit exciting. Yeah. Okay, do you wanna just do a bit of paddling, because we've got another one coming behind us and we're going to end up upside down if we're not careful. Ding 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 ding. Nah, we're good. Yeah, this is going to be fun, I can see.
What, this woman in the way, you mean?
Yeah, we're going to be hitting her in the face. You ninny. I think this one's going to break over my backside. Come on, get paddling. I can hear it. Oh, shit. Alright, okay, we're good. Big one behind us. Ready? Oh, I managed to bring us round. Oh. One more and we're in, I reckon. Yeah, this will be the one. We're dropping a fish out the window in a minute. Oh. Lovely. Getting out through that bit off. We're here. Oh, right, make a few sandcastles and we're off. So this is the river, isn't it? Coming through from Aberffraw. This lagoony bit. Oh, wait. Yeah, so this is the river from Aberffraw coming down. I'm guessing it's the Fraw actually, because Aber means estuary or river mouth. Okay. So this is the beach at Aberffraw. It's really lovely. It's a proper beachy beach with sand and everything. Anyway, let's have some lunch. That'll do ya, I reckon. I seem to feel quite deep here. What are we doing, walking back?
No, but obviously like everything, it's not like this.
Alright, go on. You're in. Kind of in. Not really in. Hold up. Alright, I'm in. Don't want to be sideways. Right, we're going straight into the surf. Cue the music. I'm glad when I'm not hitting the bottom. Oh. Oh. Is that it? We done? Faster. Paddle faster. Oh. Right, we're out. Another big one, really big one. Oh shit. Now we're in trouble. Keep going. Up. Next one. Go. Oh. Next one. We're there. Great stuff. Right. That was like, what's that film with George Clooney? Going up that wave. Yeah, the perfect storm. Oh, I thought it was called Perfect Storm. Oh shit. Oh Christ. Oh my God, look at that one in front of us. Run. Oh, that was alright. There we're good. That's it. I made it past the worst of it. Oh. Yeah. Oh, it's a bit of a swelly one, that one. That one over the top. Did you get very wet? Because I didn't really, so that was good. Did you get very wet coming out of there? I did notice it breaking across you. I didn't think it was breaking across your nose though, so it didn't look too bad. Now luckily your body managed to keep the worst of it off of me. No, I'm just saying you was in the way. So I remained quite dry actually, which was good. Because we've got blue, then we've got yellow, then we've got grey, then light grey, then green, then yellow, then cows, then blue. I wonder what the dark grey bit is. I mean it's slate, isn't it? Right, so the slate has been washed by the surf So you got sea, then you got barnacles, then you got washed slate, then you've got unwashed slate, then you got bushes. Oh. Well, I think we've got the hang of that. That's all right, keep going straight, it'll wash us around the corner, I think. God dear. You seem to be spooning a nice lot of water into my face. That's what I'm here for, to make you laugh. I have no other role in life but to make you laugh. And open jars occasionally. Right, that's good, we're good. Round the corner, straight into all them bathers. Yeah. That's lovely though, isn't it? I like that. I'll say I could do with they could treat it to a new bell. Do you reckon? The bell's probably down on the rocks, they're all looking at it over the end. Yeah, because this will take us so we can walk over the top of the causeway, can't we? Yeah.
Can I go a bit further?
Go through there.
Why?
I said so.
Yeah, look at you there.
Danger monkeys, that's what they are.
Yeah.
You wouldn't get us doing something dangerous like that, would you? It's quite calm here, isn't it? Very sheltered. Right, well we're here. I enjoyed that. Thanks very much for bringing me, that was lovely. Yeah, that was brilliant. Oh, I hear bottom. Not my bottom, the boat's bottom. If you can paddle me as far as the car, that'd be lovely. That was brilliant, look at that church, isn't that lovely?